Hi, and welcome to this full body yoga flow. This short yet effective practice will help you stay consistent with your routine. Remember, the practice doesn't have to be long or intense to be beneficial. Showing up on your mat every day, regularly, is really what makes the difference. Let's begin. Find your way into downward facing dog. And then once you're there, start walking your feet. Just bending the right, the left knee, finding a rhythm, a pace that works for you. And you can even shift the hips from side to side, reaching the heels over to the right so that the left side of the torso lengthens, and then turning around, reaching the heels all the way over to the left, allowing the right side of the torso to lengthen. And then switching like so a few more times. You can even lift the left toes of the mat coming onto the left heel and really lean the weight back to stretch even more across the left side of the torso. And of course, repeating on the other side. Finding a depth that really just feels good for you. And then from here, from downward facing dog, start walking the feet forward to the front of the mat. And once you get here to the top of the mat, you can maintain both knees bent. Then bring the right hand to the center and then extend the left arm to the ceiling. And if it feels good, you can try extending the left leg straight, keeping the right knee bent at the same time. And then the release, switching sides. So bend both knees, left hand comes to the center, and then extend the right arm up. And only if it feels good, stretch the right leg straight. And then release, bending both knees again. And this time, bring the arms behind you, interlace the fingers. Inhale here, and as you exhale, allow the arms to stretch behind your back. And you can bend the knees as much as needed for you to be comfortable here in this position. Allow the neck to relax, the head to just dangle heavy. And then release. Bring the hands back to the floor and then step back into plank position. In plank position, inhale here. And as you exhale, lower the knees down and lower all the way down to the floor. Once you're here on your belly, reach the right arm out to the side, bending the elbow, and then place the forearm down on the floor. And then look over to the right side, making sure that the elbow is just a notch higher than your shoulder. And then roll onto the right side of your body. And then bend the left knee and reach the left foot to the floor behind you. You can keep the left fingertips here on the mat for support. And then release, returning back onto your belly, and try the other side. Reach the arm out to the side, elbow bent, higher than the shoulder, and then turn onto the left and reach the right foot behind you. And then release, return onto the belly. Bring the hands beside your rib cage. Then inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra. And exhale through all fours, tuck your toes under and come to downward facing dog. And then inhale, extend the right leg back behind you. And as you exhale, step the right foot forward in between the hands. Lower the left knee down to the floor. Then lift up, bringing the right forearm on the top of your thigh. And then from here, inhale, extend the left arm up. And as you exhale, lean over to the right side. And if you feel like you could go a little bit deeper here, then release the right fingertips to the floor. And then, of course, also lean to the right side. And then release. And as you release, start leading with the elbow to twist to the right and bring the hands in prayer position, elbows stacked. And you could stay here or tuck the toes under of your left foot and then extend the left leg back behind you. And then release the left knee down to the mat as you inhale. Reach the arms up to low lunge position, shifting the hips forward and down. And then exhale, let go and step back to plank position. Inhale here in plank. And as you exhale, lower down. And you could lower down, bringing the knees down first or directly from plank to the floor. Inhale, lift the head and chest up. And then exhale, come to downward facing dog. Let's try the other side. Inhale, extend the left leg back. And then exhale, step the left foot forward. Right knee comes down, left forearm on the top of your thigh for support. Inhale, reach the right arm up. And then exhale, lean over to the left side. And option, of course, to bring the left fingertips to the floor and also reach from here. Inhale, come back up, and as you exhale, release, leading with the right elbow, bring the upper arm towards your thigh, and then from here, bring the hands together at your heart. An option to extend the right leg behind you. And then release, right knee to the floor. Inhale, reach the arms up to low lunge position. And then with your next exhale, release, hands to the floor, step back into plank. Inhale here in plank. And then as you exhale, lower down onto the floor. Inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra. And then exhale, come to downward facing dog. One breath here. And then inhale, come forward to plank. And then exhale, lower down onto the belly. Then stay here on your belly, point the toes, bring the big toes together, then interlace the fingers behind your back. And with the next breath in, lift the thighs, the legs off the mat, and lift the chest as well. And breathe. And then exhale, release. Hands come beside your ribcage. Inhale, press up to all fours. Keep the knees together, the feet together, and then send the hips back to the heels. Stretch the arms forward and let yourself rest here for a moment in child's position. And then with the next inhale, start coming up to sitting. Then swing the legs forward and then open to a wide straddle position. It's about 90-degree angle or a little bit wider. And then from here, inhale as you prepare. And I might need to shift a little bit farther back so I have enough mat in front of me. And then as you exhale, start folding forward, reaching the hands right here in the center. If it feels good, you could try lowering onto the forearms. Just make sure you listen to your body and don't push it past where it's ready to go or where it's ready to go. Now with the next inhale, start coming back up. And then bring the left heel to the groin, keeping the right leg extended, just in the same position. The right hand comes beside your calf, beside your shin. As you inhale, extend the left arm up, and then exhale, lean in the direction of your right leg, making sure that the left sit bone stays glued to the floor. And then inhale, come back to the center, and then bend the right knee back so that the heel, the right heel, comes to the outside of your right hip. Then from here, left hand comes onto the right knee, right hand wraps behind you, and if possible, you could reach for your left thigh behind your back. If that's not possible, you could also just bring the fingertips behind you to the floor. So pick what works, and then gaze back over your right shoulder. And then inhale, turn back to the front, and let's unwind this position. I'm gonna return to wide straddle, then bend the right knee. Right heel comes to the groin, left hand to the floor on the inside of your left leg. Inhale, extend the right arm up, and as you exhale, lean in the direction of your left leg. And then inhale, come back up, and exhale here. Then bend the left knee, bringing the left heel to the outside of your hip. Right hand on the left knee, left arm reaches either to the floor, left hand to the floor behind your back, or if possible, see if you can reach for your right thigh. Then gaze back over the left shoulder. And then inhale back to the center. And exhale, release. And you can face back to the front of your mat so you have enough space. Bring the soles of your feet together. Heels away from the groin, a good distance away from the groin. You can catch your feet as you inhale, prepare. And exhale, let yourself fold in, reaching the forehead towards your feet. Inhale, come up. And exhale, release. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the class and I can't wait to see you in the next one.